Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually going to try to do this video under 9 minutes because I do have to go to work, but it is January 7th and I have weighed in for the week and I am down to 169, so I'm down 2 pounds. So yeah, I'm going to get to the point because somebody decided that they wanted to be a negative Nancy and comment on one of my old videos on fender mattressing that I talk too much about my life. Well, guess what? It's my channel and I could do that because my weight directly affects my life. So if you don't like what I'm saying or what I'm talking about, you could easily just click off the video, and that's totally fine because there is no reason to just be negative about something, especially if it doesn't directly affect you. I mean, if I find somebody annoying, I just click off their video. Simple as that. I'm not gonna waste my time writing something to them, telling them that their information is useless or some shit like that. It's not, it might be relevant to some people and it might not. Okay, that's all. That's all I have to say about that. I just thought it was really funny. So it's the first time I actually had to block somebody, and you know, I deal with enough negativity at work because I work in a really toxic environment. I'm not gonna have that on my channel. I just don't have time for that. So yeah, I just wanted to address that. So if you find me annoying, just click off. That's cool. I'm not losing any sleep over that. So yeah, like I said, I lost 2 pounds. I'm down from 171 to 169. As you could tell, I sound a little nasally. I do have the flu, so I can't go to the gym, and I'm not gonna be rude and go to the gym with the flu. That's really messed up. There's no reason to spread the virus around. So I've just been sticking to my meal prep. I do get meals from Leo's Meals. They are based in Bell Gardens if you are in the LA area, and they customize your meals to what your needs. Mine obviously is no soy, no pork, no grains, no dairy, and no pesto, no sun-dried tomatoes. All that stuff upsets my stomach, and I just don't want to deal with a stomach ache, because if I eat stuff like that, I have to plan a day or two in advance because I need to plan for the next day because I know I'm going to be sick. And it's usually like a lot of nausea, upset stomach, gas, and all this fun stuff that I just rather not deal with if I don't have to eat it. It is also low carb. Because I do paleo, so unless I'm getting carbs from like sweet potatoes or spinach or any of those kind of vegetables, I don't do breads or anything like that. I have been trying this paleo bread. It's made out of coconut flour. It's pretty good, but my toaster like went up in flames, so it's just sitting in my freezer now. And yeah, I don't know what happened there, but it's actually pretty good. I found it at Walmart of all places. I don't have the name of it, but once I do, I'll share it in the next video. My goal for these next 7 days is to lose another 2 pounds, so that would put me at 167. And I know I keep staring off there, but I have a board with that I'm tracking my weight loss on. So basically, yeah, 167 is my next goal. My measurements seem to have stayed the same, but I am still on my period right now, so I don't expect that to go down until like until next week maybe. So maybe when I measure myself next week, I'll share my measurements. But my starting measurements were 42 inches at the bust, 31.5 at the waist, and 41.75 at the hips. So my hips have stayed the same. Like I said, it's probably all the bloating and the swelling from the period. My chest has actually gone down half an inch, and so has my waist, but we'll see where I'm at come the 14th. I don't know what else do I have. Hopefully I get over this flu real soon. It's just been, it didn't catch me by surprise, luckily. You know, I've been taking care of it for the last month because I could feel it creeping up, and I just been taking all kinds of medications. So, because I know last year I was out, like, it was horrible. It was really, really bad. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. If you like this content and you want to keep following me on my weight loss journey, cool, subscribe and like the video. If not, you know, I do have my videos on budgeting because I'm also trying to get my financial life in order. It's just something, it's about time. I'm going to be 30 in April, and I do not want to be those people who, you know, by the time they're retired, they have so much debt and they can't pay it off and they can't live like they can't have a nice retired life. Like, you know, live a carefree life. So if you want to check that out, I will link the videos at the end of this video. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I am going to be off to work now. Bye.